my gorgeous and my beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. All right, you guys, I have some exciting products to show you, and I still have my false Geras. I tried to do it, you guys, and as usual, you know, diamond struggles, okay? But we're still going to do the darn deed, okay? I'm going to do this false Gera lash for you, along with the new iMethod Beauty ones that they sent me that I showed you guys. And also, you guys, we are going to do that dust collector giveaway, okay? Let's set that for, let me see, today is Saturday. I'll give it until Wednesday or Thursday, and we're going to pick a winner. So you guys, if you haven't went and entered the dust collector giveaway, it is a Bell dust collector. It is the Bombski Dot Flippin' Kompski. You must enter. I will have the link in the description box for you to enter, you guys. Please go do that. It's very important. You could win, okay? And let me show you this. Okay, this is another eyelash thing. This is the eyelash stuff I was telling y'all about that's rated better than even the prescription Latisse, and I know that that works. I know that for a fact from using it over the years. However, I have slacked, and that's why my lashes suck. But, you guys, I was going to go get my microblading done today, but I postponed it because Diamond takes aspirin and it can cause bleeding, so I'm waiting until next weekend. I was going to do it on Saturday, but I'm going to call and schedule for Monday because my daughter is supposed to come visit from Friday to Monday. So I'm going to schedule it for next Monday, and I'm going to have my microblading done, and I'm going to see if Miss Emmy will let us, you know, video some of that process, okay? But this is called a liaison or something. Liaison. Anyway, guys, this is, they've got one that's for brows too. However, I would think that, you know, probably it's the same ingredients, but a different applicator, I'm sure. So this is called the Lash Bond, 3 millimeters. And you just take this little thing and you put it on your lash line, okay? Not on the, you know, directly, like just put it all over your lashes or anything like that. Not on the bottom ones, it said, but on the lash line. Now, I took a picture of my lashes with my eyes shut before this. They say within like 4 weeks, you should see a phenomenal amount of growth. So we're gonna friggin' find out, okay? It says remove your makeup with an oil-free makeup remover or cleanser, and then use that applicator to apply lightly to the roots of the eyelash. Allow the serum to work overnight. Using excess serum will not increase the growth, okay? So you don't have to use excess. Anyway, guys, this is the name. I have a link in the description box for y'all, okay? Oh, and I have a flippin' 50% off code. Dang it, guys. I'm going to have to remember the code. Anyway, I'll remember it and put it in the description box. 50% off. This is $50, and I paid $25 for it. $24.95 or something, okay? So I have a secret 50% off code for you guys. And now, I got this from Homost, okay? It just come today, so it was a very quick. That's why I'm going to go ahead and just show y'all, because it just now come. And I thought, oh, why not include it? Okay, so anyway, this is just a nail cuticle pusher and trimmer kit from Homost. And yes, ma'am, yes, sir. So, you know, Diamond loves Homost. I definitely love Homost, okay? I do promote Homost. They have some amazing products. So you get these. You get your little tricolor nippers, okay? You're going to get you a brush, and you're going to get a freaking nice, look at them lovely flipping clippers, you guys. And then you get 3 tools. You're going to get this cuticle remover tool. My husband loves these, okay? He loves them. And you're going to get this one, and I friggin' don't really know what this is for, you guys, unless it's like, I don't know, maybe y'all can tell Diamond, what is that one for? And this, of course, is your pusher, okay? And, yeah, so you get, oh, and you get this, so yeah. Anyway, so you get those, and you're going to get some files. So, guys, it's a sweet little kit for like $13, you guys, and you get all of this, okay? So, you're going to get all these files and buffers, which is awesome, different sizes, okay? And then one of these nice big ones that does everything buffers, okay? So that's what you get for $13, you guys, or 12 something. And yeah, and it comes with this cute case from Homos. Now, the big deal. This is Diamonds. Oh my God, thrill to die for deal. Okay, guys, this, all of this, including this lovely little thing to put it in, and this cute pink bubble wrap. From what? Luxe Lip Lab. Diamond finally went ahead, bit the dang bullet, you guys, and went to Luxe Lip Lab from Bikini Iron Fitness. I used her code. I do follow Natural Chaos too. Either one of them has a code if y'all would like to get 10% off, which basically, excuse me, covers shipping. And the shipping was like 17 something. So it took that off for me, okay? So they give you all of this. They give you this, which flipping tells you what all you got, you guys, as well as it gives you codes to get your filler for your Hyluron pen, okay? And it gives you some excellent codes and stuff like that you can use. And it has support and training, okay? From Bikini Iron, of course. She's one of the Bikini Iron Beauty Advanced Facebook group you can go to. I went ahead and paid today $20 to become one of her BIBs. She's got a BIBA that is a subscription for a year. However, I could not afford that, guys, because it's $300 and something a year, and Diamond just cannot afford that. But I got the BIB Advanced group, and that was $20. Okay, guys, $20. And it's going to give you some additional support if you'd like to do this. But Luxe Lip Labs, and it tells you all about the device. Look at that. I mean, just yummy dummy. A whole full thing of instructional thing. Pre and post care. I mean, have you ever? Contradictions, okay? Tips, advice, and techniques. And where to place, as you see here, okay? Oh my God, tell me this is not dope, guys. Tell me it's not dope. It's dope. I don't care what y'all say is dope. And it come in this cute bubble wrap, pink Luxe Lab with their Luxe Lip Lab symbol. And they come clipped with this little gold yummy dummy clip, okay? It's just such details. I love when they pay attention to detail. Okay, and then this bag to put your pen in. This is the box. Look at this flipping box. Have you flipping ever? Have you flipping ever? Okay, look at that. Look at how gorgeous this is. Have you ever? Be kind and DIY. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, Luxe Lip Lab Hyluron Pen Kit. Let me break the seal. I have not even opened it. I waited to share it with you guys, okay? With you guys. Because I know. Now, oh, there it went. Okay, there it went, guys. Okay, let's look at this dang stuff. I bought the ultimate all-time kit. It comes with everything, guys, and the newest Hyluron pen of theirs that has the 3 gauge thing and the 5. The 5 and the 3, okay? That's what I ordered, and it comes with everything you need other than fillers, okay? You order those separate, but guys, look at this. Oh, my God, Becky! I am too dang pumpity-jumpity for this, okay? Luxe Lip Lab, again, I hate even tearing this. But, hey, pink bubble wrap, you gotta go. So, you get 100 alcohol preps to prep your lip and face areas, you know, before you do it. You get these dental dams, which is to put in your mouth when you're doing your lips, guys. It kind of holds it and gives you some steadiness. Look at that. You get all of those, okay? You get... This is so dope. I'm not even going to flip and lie to y'all. I can't even freaking tell y'all. And you get your ampules, okay? Now, you can buy ampules on Amazon, but I was listening to Bikini Iron Fitness, and she said, that's right, she said that be careful because some of them, the plungers don't work. They'll stick. They're not made as good. Yes, you can use them, but be careful, okay? These come from Lux Lip Lab, okay? So I've got 5 of the 0.3 mils, and I've got 5 of the 0.5 mils, okay? And the only difference is the 0.5, of course, holds more liquids or more of what you're trying to inject, okay? So that come with the kit. And then, oh my God, Becky, look at this pen. I can't even get it out. It's in here so tight, guys. Oh my God, I can't get this thing out. Yeah, I did. Oh my God, this thing weighs a ton. Listen, guys, this thing weighs a flippin' ton. That's all I can say. Look at the cute Lux Lip Lab tag. Look at this. Oh my God, Becky device. This is their gold, baby. That's right. Diamond went for the gold, the rose gold. Look at this. It's flippin' adorable. Have you flippin' ever? Like, I flippin' love this. Oh my God. And here, let me see if I can even get that one out. Yeah. Here is your other gauge to put on. So it has the point, this must be the 0.3. I'm taking it because this is a lot bigger. I don't know. And this must be the 0.5. At least that's, you know, what I'm thinking. I'm not sure, guys, but honey, and it is CE, so it's certified, whatever. All I know, guys, is it's heavy. This is a heavy-duty bombski. And I can't wait to start trying to do some lip fillers. And I already ordered some Elixir. It's called Elixir, baby. That's right. Because the Elixir is supposed to be the bomb. Okay? So, I ordered the Elixir. And I got a 40% off on that from Bikini Iron Fitness. Thank you, Bikini Iron Fitness. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay. I don't know. But anyway, I don't want to mess this thing up. And I don't know how it was in there, guys. I'm just going to lay it in there. Okay. But anyway, guys. This thing is so amazing. And you want to know what I paid? I don't think y'all want to know what I paid for this. I don't think you want to know what Diamond paid for this. Okay. I paid $315, okay? That's how much this is. Now, y'all can get a cheap Hyluron pen. You don't have to invest in this kind of money, guys, okay? You don't. You really don't. But I wanted the best because, look, I'm going to be filling wrinkles and my lips and everything. Plus, it has 8 ml or whatever, 8 of pressure. Okay, and you want that PSI, that pressure, to blast the product into your lips and or your wrinkles, okay? So you can do all kind of good stuff. This is amazing. Oh my God, Lux Lip Lab and Sherri, thank you so very kind. I'm trying to get a discount code for y'all for my channel. I'll let you know when Sherri provides me one, if and when, okay? But right now, I am just in love. So I have my Elixir coming, and I'm going to be ordering a Noramus, I think is the one I'm going to choose to fill my lines, okay, my wrinkles. I'm also getting my microneedling, and then my Fiberblast pen, I think. So all of them 3 things is what I'm going to incorporate in my channel and in my beauty regimen, you guys, okay? Now, I can't fit this back in because I can't get the pen to go in right. And I don't want to bend it, guys. But anyway, oh my God, thank you, Lux Lip Lab. Thank you, Sherri. Like I said, it's $315, guys. You can put in Bikini Iron Fitness. It's a bikini 10 and get the 17 something for shipping taken off. But it's so worth it, guys. It's so worth it because you get the best pen ever. Okay, it's all there is to it, hands down. It's certified Hyluron pen, and it's a 0.5 and a 0.3, and nothing is going to be better, I promise you guys. So I got that. You know, Diamond only tries to buy the best, especially when I'm spending my funds, okay? But there you have it, you guys. That is all I've got for y'all today. And you guys, please go enter the giveaway. And then I'm doing a giveaway on my flexing hand. And then I'm doing a giveaway on my Glamour Liz hand, okay? So those are coming too once we do this Dust Collector by Belle. So you guys go enter, please. Thank you. Oh my God, Sherri, I'm so flippin' excited. You just don't know, girl. Oh my God, you just don't know. This is everything I wanted, and I can't wait to start utilizing it and just doing my own filler. It's going to be amazing, so y'all stay tuned and watch me learn, okay? All right, my beautiful and gorgeous shiny diamonds, and then next week, next Monday or something, we'll be doing the microblading, and I will be doing a falscara video for you guys, trying to apply those lashes as well as the Eye Method Beauty one to see how the glue holds. So I will show y'all all of that. Thank you for watching. I love y'all. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share, and become one of my beautiful and gorgeous shiny diamonds, okay? I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video.